Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosecant of 2x equals to number 1 over sine 2x. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. Sine 2x, that is about 2 sine x cosine x. So because we have the power number 2, so we need to put this one gone here. And we have number 4 sine s square cosine s square. So sine s square we simplified. And we know that this one that is about secant of s square. The integration of this one, we have tan s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.